In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset player settings to default on Udemy desktop. Udemy's desktop player doesn't have a single button that resets everything at once. Instead, it remembers the last settings you used and applies them the next time you watch any lecture. So the way to get back to defaults is to open the player and manually set each option back to its standard value. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and explain what each setting does so you know you're truly back to baseline. Start by opening any course lecture on the Udemy website using your desktop browser. You'll see the video player with the usual controls along the bottom. If the controls are hidden, just move your mouse over the video to reveal them. Look to the bottom right corner of the player and click the gear icon labeled Settings. This is where all the playback options live. You'll make 3 quick changes here to return to the default behavior. First, set playback speed to 1.0x. That's the standard real-time speed, and it's what Udemy treats as the default. If you've been watching at 1.25x or 1.5x, switching back to 1.0x ensures the audio and visuals are presented exactly as recorded, which is helpful for comprehension and for following along with code or steps on screen. Next, turn autoplay on. When autoplay is enabled, the player automatically advances to the next lecture when one finishes, which is the default flow for most courses. If you previously toggled it off to prevent continuous play, turning it back on restores the usual learning rhythm and makes binge learning smoother. Finally, set video quality to auto. Auto lets Udemy pick the best resolution for your current connection and device in real time. Instead of locking the player to 720p or 1080p, Auto will ramp the quality up when your network is stable and gently scale it down if bandwidth dips, reducing buffering and keeping playback smooth. This is the default and generally the best choice, unless you have a specific reason to force a fixed resolution. Once you've made these 3 changes, 1.0x speed, autoplay on, and quality set to auto, the player will remember them and use them across your lectures on the desktop site. If you switch to full screen, the gear is still available and the same settings apply. And remember, because Udemy stores your last used choices, these selections effectively become your new defaults. That's all there is to it. You've now restored the Udemy desktop player to its default behavior, ensuring a consistent, reliable viewing experience every time you hit play.